Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In this video today I'm going to show you how to make your own external backup drive for your computer. One of the easiest way to do it is just to get a SATA 3.2 USB adapter, plug into your drive and as well into the computer, and you can use that to copy all your backup all your files. But the disadvantage to that is that the drive is exposed. If it drops, there's nothing that protects it, so it can easily get damaged. And prevent that from happening, you just need to buy an enclosure for your drive, and there are a lot outside in the market. If you go on Amazon, this is one I got. The clear one is cheap and is very effective. I have the link to purchase it in my description box below. And so I'll just slide my SSD drive in there and make sure everything is secure, and I'll cover it up. Now when you plug the disk in, it's not gonna pop up first. All you have to do is to initialize the disk and get it online. So you go to disk management. When you go to disk management, you have to click to get it online, and when it's fully initialized, you have to create a new simple volume. If you have an old disk, all you have to do is just to delete the existing partition in there before you create the new volume. And once the volume has been created, you can see it pops up. I can create a folder in there and use the same folder to back up all my drive. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you again sometime.